Good morning. What's the price of Bitcoin? Okay, now we can wake up. Great. What's up, guys? My name is Idan and welcome to How Much YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you a new product I made, the Bitcoin Ticker version 2. If you watched my channel before, you know the Bitcoin Ticker version 1. It was very basic Bitcoin Ticker, and this is the upgraded version with the whole enclosure. I'll show you how I created this during the pandemic that we have here. I had a lot of time to design this, so I'll show you how I made this. And before we start, I want to thank today's sponsor, Dragon Touch. Dragon Touch 10 is a photo frame that you can actually upload through the cloud. Photos of, this is my dog Weiler here, but you can put whatever photos you want. It has 16 gigs of memory inside, so you can put thousands of photos. Using our photo app, it's very easy to upload photos here through the cloud, and it's really easy to use. The screen is actually HD display, and it's an IPS panel, so I really like it, and it's actually only 130 bucks or so it's actually lower than some others, and it's really crisp and clean looking, which is really nice for a photo frame. Usually they don't look that good. It can stand like this with the little plastic piece that comes with it, or you can even hang it to the wall just like any other frame. So check the link below to learn more. First, what is the Bitcoin Ticker version 2? It's basically a USB device that I created that you can plug into any power from a USB. Right now I'm using a power bank, it will be easier for me to show you, but you can plug it into the wall or computer or whatever, and it has a Wi-Fi chip built in, and it has this monitor hooked up, and then it actually connects to your Wi-Fi network. But if you know some coding, you can actually go in there and change the settings, the SSID and the password to your Wi-Fi, so that you can see the live ticker price. And it connects to the Wi-Fi, so get the live Bitcoin price shown to you all the time. And you can set it up, below your desk or whatever you wanna do it, so you can always see the price. And it's actually pretty simple device on itself. Here is the back of it. As you can see here, there's two different items. There's the computer, it's called the Node NCU, and this one has a Wi-Fi built in and a little Arduino board which you can hook up. You can put some programming on it and put whatever you want. You can even put the subscriber count, whatever you dream, you can put in there. So that's what's in there. The second items in there is this like LED monitor, and it's a very basic LED monitor that you can you can program it to show whatever you want. This is a 3D printer I used to create those enclosures or the box for it, and I had to redesign it a few times to make it fit perfectly and print it a bunch of times. I had to upgrade my printer to get this cool magnetic printing bed, so it's much easier for me to pap out the samples. But yeah, other than that, that's about it. You can really kind of do it yourself too if you want to, with some design skills and some Arduino codes. It's really not that difficult, but it's really fun. So to set up the guest network, you need to access to your modem or router, whichever has a Wi-Fi access to it. You have to log in and either add a new guest network or update this one. So this is how you do it from the computer. I'll show you right now. Before we start with the Bitcoin ticker, look at the Bitcoins Are Forever shirt. It's the same shirt here. You can get it on bitcoinmerch.com. Check it out, link below. So let's go take a look at the USB Wi-Fi Bitcoin ticker. This is the old version. The new version is going to be exactly the same. And when you scroll down, you can see the SSID and the password. Now I'm using Netgear gaming router because I love gaming and I need fast internet. But any router you have, the source of your Wi-Fi, where your Wi-Fi coming from, if you flip the back, you'll be able to see how to get into the admin panel. And this is the guest network setting. This is where you're gonna add the SSID and the password. Make sure you use the 2G, not the 5G. The Node MCU that's in there do not support 5G. Okay, so we're gonna copy paste the SSID bitcoinmerch.com, and the password is 1234567 I actually had to update that. It used to be 123456, but as you can see here, there's a minimum of 8 characters. So you click apply, and that's it. You're done. Now you can use your Wi-Fi. But if you want to actually change the Wi-Fi using a password on the board itself, you can do that too. Let me show you how. Alright, so Arduino. So here's the Arduino code, and here's the code. It's pretty easy to find it online. I'm also providing it when you buy it, so you can mess with it. But here's the SSID and here's the password. Just change it to whatever you want, as long as it's 2G, of course. Change it to whatever you want, and then you're good to go. It's not plug and play. You do have to download the Node MCU and the ECP 8266 libraries, so do those, and then you'll be able to upload this code to your Arduino board. But then again, you can upload anything to the Arduino board and then display whatever you want right into that display, which is pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you Dragon Touch 10 for providing me with this tablet, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to leave a like if you like this video. Check the link below for the Bitcoin Ticker version 2. There is one that's already made like this, and there is also a kit that you can build yourself for fun to learn about how this works. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.